You stand at the bottom of the stairs, looking up, and suddenly, those 10 steps feel like a mountain. Your knees ache. Your legs feel heavy. And a quiet thought crosses your mind. When did something so simple become so difficult? If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. For millions of people over 60, climbing stairs is one of the first signs that strength and balance are beginning to fade. But here is the good news. You can retrain your body to climb stairs with ease again. Surgeons and physiotherapists now agree that with 5 targeted movements, you can rebuild the power, coordination, and confidence you thought you had lost. Stay with me until the end, because the last movement is the one most people ignore, and it makes the biggest difference. With age, your muscles do not just become weaker, they forget how to work together.
Stairs hurt.
Your brain and legs lose their communication rhythm, a process doctors call neuromuscular disconnect. Each time you take a step, your body needs to coordinate over 200 muscles. But if even a few of them stop firing in harmony, especially your hips, quads, and calves, the whole system slows down. This is why your knees start hurting, and why each stair feels like lifting a heavy suitcase. A group of surgeons from the University of Kyoto studied this problem in older adults. They discovered that seniors who performed 5 simple functional exercises regained their stair climbing ability within 8 weeks without any expensive machines or medications. These are the same 5 movements we are going to go through right now. We begin with something deceptively simple, the wall side hold. This movement trains your thighs and glutes to fire together. Just like they must when you climb a stair, stand with your back against a wall. Slide down slowly until your knees form a right angle. And hold that position.
This helps us understand.
Keep your heels flat and your core tight. Start with 10 seconds. Then work your way up to 30. Why it matters? Researchers call this an isometric endurance builder. It improves the strength of your quadriceps, the main engine behind every upward step. If your knees tremble at first, that is perfectly fine.
Clinically
It
tested
means your
movement.
body is relearning the forgotten signal of stability. Most people focus on stepping up, but the real challenge for older adults is stepping down. That motion demands control from your hips and knees to prevent sudden jolts of pressure. To practice safely, stand on a low platform. Place one foot down slowly until your heel touches the ground. Then bring it back up. Repeat 10 to 12 times per leg. The key is control, not speed. According to orthopedic surgeons, eccentric control, the ability to resist gravity, is the single best predictor of stair safety in adults over 60. This movement retrains your muscles to absorb shock smoothly, just like a car with good suspension. Next comes one of the most underrated exercises for seniors. Standing hip abduction strengthens the outer hip muscles, the ones that keep your pelvis level when you lift one leg. Hold onto a chair or wall for balance. Keep your body tall and slowly lift one leg out to the side. Pause for 2 seconds. Then lower with control. Perform this 10 times on each side. You may feel a deep burn in your hip area, that is your gluteus medius waking up. When this muscle is weak, every step up a stair puts extra stress on your knees. When it becomes strong again, your body feels instantly lighter and more stable. This movement looks basic, but it is one of the most powerful ways to rebuild stair strength. All you need is a sturdy chair. Sit down, then stand up without using your hands. If that feels too difficult, start by placing your hands lightly on your thighs for support. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Why it works? Every time you rise from a chair, your body performs the same action as climbing the first step of a staircase. You are retraining your quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings to fire in perfect sequence. In one study from Seoul National University, seniors who practiced this exercise daily improved their stair climbing time by over 30% within 1 month. And now, the most important exercise of them all, heel raises. This is the one most people overlook, yet it is the foundation for every confident step. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Rise slowly onto your toes. Hold for 2 seconds. Then lower down gently. Repeat 15 times. This exercise strengthens your calves and improves your balance.
For every step.
More importantly, it retrains your ankles to push your body upward, the exact motion that gives you that spring when climbing. To make it even more effective, hold onto a wall and perform one leg at a time. It may feel shaky at first, but with time, you will notice a new steadiness in every step you take. Now that you know the 5 exercises, here is how to make them work for you. Perform them 3 to 4 times a week. Do them slowly and with control, never rush. In total, your workout will take just 15 minutes a day. Within the first 2 weeks, you will notice less knee pressure. By week 4, your legs will begin to feel stronger. And by week 8, stairs will no longer feel like your enemy. If you find the exercises too easy, increase the hold time or number of repetitions. Your goal is not to exhaust yourself, but to awaken the muscles that age has quietly turned off. There is one more thing surgeons discovered during their research. When older adults trained their legs for balance and coordination, they also improved blood flow to the brain. That means these exercises may not only make you climb better, they might also help keep your mind sharper. Your legs are your second heart. When they move, they pump blood upward, keeping your brain alert and your body energized. So do not think of these as simple movements. Think of them as a total reset for your vitality. Now take a deep breath and think back to the last time you took stairs without fear. That moment of confidence is not gone forever. It is simply waiting to be rebuilt. Start these 5 movements today and give your body the chance to remember how strong it truly is. Every time you practice, you are not only rebuilding muscle, you are rebuilding freedom. Which of these 5 movements feels the most challenging for you right now? Share your answer in the comments below. Your story might help someone else take their first step too. And remember, your age is not your limit. It is your starting point.